Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, let's meet with the new number 2. 2 eyes to see, 2 ears to hear, 2 hands to touch, 2 feet to run. Let's count the bead on the bar. On the left side, there are 2 beads. You can see in the picture there are 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 feet. Dear kids, how many eyes do you have? How many ears do you have? How many hands do you have? Thank you. See you in the next lesson.